Now before starting the video, I would like to talk about the sponsor of this video, KeysFan. KeysFan.com offers cheap and legal OEM software keys in an easy way. You can activate software such as Windows and Microsoft Office in a fast and reliable way, with these keys that are 100% official and suitable for online activation. Moreover, they offer lifetime after-sales support in addition to 24/7 customer support. Don't miss KeysFan mega discount. If you are interested, you can check the links in the description. Add the product you need to your cart and catch 50% discount for Windows series with RTG50 and 62% discount from Microsoft Office and bundle with RTG62. So don't forget to check the description for details. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can install Windows 8.1 on an iPhone or iPad and also on Vision Pro. First of all, go to the App Store and search for UTM SE PC Emulator, or you simply use the link in description. So install application. After install, you also need to get the ISO image file of Windows 8.12. Alright, now open. Select Continue. Tap on Add Icon. Select New Machine. Here you need to select the image file. Hit on Browse option. Now select the downloaded Windows 8 ISO file. Then hit Continue. Here by default, the architecture is set to x86-64. Now select the memory and CPU cores you want to give for Windows. Hit on Continue. Here give the drive size for Windows, like at least from 10 gigs. Then Continue. Again Continue. Once cross-check all the things and save settings. There we go, the virtual machine gets created. Now hit on Bottom Settings, go to Information. Here select Icon to Operating System, and then select Windows. Give the machine name. Now get back, go to System. Leave most of these settings to default. Now go to QEMU Settings. Make sure to disable UEFI boot. Go to Display Settings. Here it's already set to Compatible Display Card. But unfortunately, you can't enable GPU acceleration. Enable Automatic Display to Resize option. In Network Settings, leave it to Default Driver. Audio Driver, same to default. Now save the machine settings. Now simply hit the play button. It starts to boot system. Just to remind you that it took me almost like 3 to 4 hours just to install this Windows 8.1 in the iPhone 12. So, when you are installing the Windows in UTM, remember it will take some time to install. You need a bit patience. Also don't panic here, select OK. The process will normally continue. The system feels somewhat kind of slow, remember guys, this is not JIT enabled, as it's officially restricted by Apple due to security issues. Here I'll fast forward the video. Also do check out our recent video. We did the same for iPad, based on UTM file direct configuration of Windows. Alright, and there we go guys, it's booted. Our Windows 8 is installed and properly working in UTM SE. For the first time, it takes a lot of time, when everything gets done. Also, when you boot for second time, it will take 2 to 3 minutes to load system. Alright, so let's check system info. Here, Here it shows QEMU Virtual CPU, only up to 1 GHz dual core. That's too low. Also, the assigned memory RAM size. Anyways, that's it all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked. Also subscribe for more crazy stuff. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.